Good morning to everyone. Myself is Rehena, Assistant Professor, Department of BCA, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women in Tiruchendur. Today I am going to discuss about human-computer interaction. We will see what is meant by human-computer interaction. It is shortly known as HCI. It is the study of how users interact with technology, drawings, insights from computer science, cognitive science, and human factors engineering to create engaging experiences. Next one is the examples of HCI. Some examples are smartphone touch screens, voice assistants, and then ATMs, car navigation systems. Let us see one by one. Smartphone touch screens are used to tap, swipe, pinch or zoom. The phone reacts instantly in a natural way. HCI makes gestures feel intuitive. Second one is the voice assistant. Some real world examples are Siri, Alexa, Google Assistants. You can speak normally. We can ask the question, it will reply. HCI helps computers understand your voice. Third one is ATMs. It provides simple buttons, clear instructions and screens that guide you step by step. HCI ensures people of all ages can withdraw money easily. Fourth one is the car navigation systems. It provides large buttons, readable maps and voice guidance so you can use them safely while driving. Next one is the HCI real life examples. This diagram shows the three common examples of human-computer interaction in everyday life. First one is a wearable, second one is a voice assistant, third one is a virtual reality. Let us see one by one. First one is wearables. Devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers that people wear on their bodies to track health, time or receive notifications. These interact directly with users using screens, sensors and touch input. Next one is a voice assistants. The programs such as Alexa, Siri and Google Assistant respond to spoken commands. Users talk to these devices to get information, control smart home products or set reminders, making interaction quick and hands-free. Last one is virtual reality. This is the immersive systems such as VR headsets and apps let users experience computer-generated environments. People interact with these virtual worlds using motion sensors or controllers for entertainment, education or simulation. Next one is the HCI main components. These are all the main components of HCI. First, users. User used to interact with people and technology. Next one is a task. Activities users aim to complete. Third one is tools. Devices and software enabling task. Fourth one is interfaces. It provides connection between users and tools. Fifth one is a context, which is the environment where interactions occur. Next one is a human-computer interaction. The four circles shows the important fields that contribute to HCI. First one is a computer science. Second one is a cognitive psychology and economics. Third one is design and arts. Fourth one is social and organizational psychology. Computer science means this is about the technology and the software behind computers. Second one is the cognitive psychology and economics. This is about understanding how people think and learn and how comfortable and safe technology is for users. Third one is design and arts. This is about making technology look good and be easy to use. Last one is the social and organizational psychology. This is about how groups of people use technology and how technology fits into workplaces. Next one is the main stages in HCI life cycle. A common HCI oriented life cycle can be summarized as requirement specification, architectural design, detailed design, coding and unit testing, integration testing and operation maintenance. Requirement analysis means understand users, their goals, task, environment and usability needs. This often uses interviews, observation, personas and task analysis. Second one is design. It is mainly used to create conceptual models and interface designs as sketches or prototypes by using paper, wireframes interactive markups that show screens, navigation and interaction flows. Third one is the implementation space. Turn the design into working UI code while following the agreed interaction patterns and visual standards. Next one is the evaluation. Test the interface with users and measure how well it supports tasks, then refine the design based on findings. Next one is the deployment, which means release the system, ensure it runs correctly in real user environments, provide onboarding help and documentation, and monitor early use. Last one is the maintenance. It provides fix issues, update features and adjust the interface as user, task and technological changes. In practice, most of the product's life is spent here. Next one is the cognitive models. Cognitive models break down how people solve problems or use software into basic elements like goals, memory and actions. Next one is the goals of cognitive models. The main goal is what the user wants to achieve, for example saving a file. Next one is operators of cognitive models. The main operation is the basic action the user performs, such as clicking or typing. Next one is a method. The steps or strategies to reach the goal, for example using the menu or a shortcut. Next one is applications of cognitive model. These are all the applications. First one is artificial intelligence, human computer interaction. Third one is education and training. Fourth one is a clinical psychology, and then last one is neuroscience. In artificial intelligence, perform tasks that require human-like cognitive abilities, like making decisions, solving problems. In human computer interactions, used to design and evaluate user interfaces that are easy to use and efficient. In education and training, used to develop educational and training programs that are effective and engaging. Next one is the clinical psychology, which is used to diagnose and to treat mental disorders such as depression and anxiety. Last one is neuroscience, mainly used to understand how the brain works and how different brain regions contribute to different cognitive processes. Thank you for watching.